No, I'm not part of any trading community. I used to be, but no longer. I just find it's distracting. I haven't found many value add. I've kind of outgrown a lot of trading communities. When you realize you're one of the, making most money out of all of the other people, there's no point in being a trading community. So that's what happened. I've outgrown a lot of these trading communities over the years. That's why I'm creating my own. And he would recommend, StockB is good, stockb.biz. And he also has a free blog, stockb.blogspot.com. That's a pretty decent swing trading, community, I would say. Yes. Well, grading a community. I mean, like the stream. It's not talking about get a web page or something and start pumping out stocks. It's just the stream. Nothing crazy. Yeah, it's a goal of mine to grow this stream and get a bunch of good traders together. We need a marketing plan for this stream. Yeah, about 30. I have about I have about 40 or 50 viewers, like unique viewers. I've already doubled it the past few months. If I can double my viewership every few months for a few years, I'm gonna be the most influential person in the world, mathematically. But that's never gonna happen, since I'm not gonna double my viewership every few months for a few years. Tools beside MarketSmith and Koifin. I don't do deep research on stocks. I'm just more interested in like how the earnings numbers look like, how the estimates look like. I usually have an idea what they do, but it's not like I deep dig into fundamentals and look at their balance sheets and do some discounted cash flows and stuff like that. There's no need to do that. I'm a momentum trader. I want to be in the fastest growing stocks. There's no need to complicate things. I don't really do any deep research. I don't think there is an edge for. I read a lot of articles all the time that I find on my Twitter stream or some of my blogs that I follow. But I do read, I read Seeking Alpha, stuff that pops up there, just, see if I find anything interesting. There are some, mostly shit stocks with shit analysis, but there are, maybe 10% is some good information. When seeing, no, I don't have. I use Briefing and Fly on the Wall for my news, and then I use like Finwiz and TradingView, these free resources, and Koifin obviously, that's also for free, and then MarketSmith, that one costs money. Yeah, watch Kristjan buy his new Lambo. Yep. I hate that kind of marketing. That would attract all the wrong type of people. I don't want the wrong type of people. I don't want people here who think they can turn $1,000 account into $100,000 in 6 months. I don't want to do any of that Team Sykes bullshit, because I don't need any subscription fees to pay my bills. I'm a trader. I don't really give a shit if I have 30 viewers or 3,000 viewers. For me, quality over quantity. I'd rather have 50 quality viewers on my stream than 500 idiots, if you know what I mean. I don't need to make money from streaming. And besides, to make any good money, I mean, how much money can you make from, even if you have a few hundred viewers, how much money can you make? Like nothing. Even if you have a few thousand viewers, you can barely make anything. You need like 100,000 viewers to make any decent money. Oh, okay. Yeah, I can make money from streaming. I can monetize my stream. I know there's an option somewhere you can monetize it. Then you can, viewers can donate money and shit. Like, I'm not interested in that. But that would be funny. Hey guys, I lost 100K on this trade. Could you donate some money to me? Nah, no. Some gamers do make six figure. 1 in 10,000 streamers. Have you seen how many streams there are with no viewers or less than say 10 viewers? There's literally a handful of these that make 6 figures per month. Yes, there are some. Yeah, there are some who make 7 figures per month. But we're talking about very few individuals. Very, very few. Well, it's not crazy. If you have a big enough audience, you can make money doing anything. No, it doesn't help to be female. Every big gamer is a male. I don't think there are any big female gamers. All the most successful ones are males. Minervini, yeah, he's promoting his services really hard, his books and services. I think his books are decent, but really, when he starts, tweeting about these, really thin stocks on Twitter, it kind of makes you think. Is he even trading, or is he just promoting, stuff, selling books and making, conferences, making money that way? Because a lot of the stocks he mentions, they're not even tradable, and he's tweeting them out to his, I don't know, tens of thousands. How many followers does he have? I haven't followed him for a while. I used to follow him. He's a Mark Minervini. He has 128,000 followers. Yeah, that's disgusting. And so he tweets out these. Let's look at his tweets, if he has pumped any microcaps lately. CLGN. What's this? Yeah. So this one he tweeted about 2 days ago. You can't even trade this shit. Like, what the fuck is he doing? Is he trading a $10,000 account? What the fuck? I don't know. He's a sketchy dude. I think his book is great, but man, he has no business tweeting about these thin stocks. Yeah, CLGN, exactly. Disgusting. Fucking disgusting. What is this? Tila. Look at this thing. It's traded 3.9 thousand shares so far today. And he's tweeting out these things. How do you even trade this thing? Okay, if he was tweeting about stuff like AMD, on a day like here, on this day here. Oh, look at AMD, it's breaking out. This is like an ultra liquid stock. But when you tweet out something like this, I mean, I could make this thing double in 5 minutes if I wanted to. I could literally make this thing double if I used my intraday margin. And he's tweeting this thing out to his hundreds of thousands of followers. Really disgusting. Yeah, I was in his room. I took the trial. Yeah, they're super expensive. I guess that's what happens if you don't make money from trading. You gotta sell. You gotta promote yourself. Exactly the same thing like Tim Sykes is doing. They make no money from trading. But it's risk-free, right? You don't have to take any trading risk. Just have to promote your stuff, and it's kind of predictable income, I guess. I think you should study as many traders as possible. Study their methods, do some back testing, see if it really is something that works over time. Is it an inherent part of the market structure? You take bits and pieces of everyone, create your own method again around it, and then you kind of dump all these people, because most of the people on Twitter, like I've followed over years, they make no money, or they make very little money. There's this guy that has a lot of followers. Only thing he does is tweets these inspirational trading quotes. There's no way he makes any money. What's his name? Burns. Yeah, Steve Burns, I think. Yeah, 217,000 followers. Founder of newtraderu.com. Look at this guy, Steve Burns. Here, bears win battles, bulls win wars. And you never see him have any opinion about the stock, about the market, about a trade. It's just his stupid inspirational bullshit. Doesn't help anyone make any money. Has 217,000 followers. Look at this. Bulls eat steak, bears eat ramen. like that's what he does day in, day out. Oh my god. Here, you don't make money due to volume. Only price pays. Oh really? Oh my god. That's what he does day in, day out for probably 10 years. And he's grown a following. Oh my god, so stupid. I've never seen anything. I never seen him tweet anything about a stock, or having an opinion about anything where he has to take a risk, right? A risk of being wrong. I mean, look, okay, maybe there is some value here, maybe there is some, I don't know, but I'm just saying most of these guys make no money from trading. They're just selling these services. He probably makes his income from this thing. Some kind of trading education site. Yeah. Okay, enough about that. Let's do a scan. Yeah, I've been in Sanger's room too, but yeah, it was a long time ago. I've been in like all of these trading rooms. Just name one, and I've probably been in it. Yeah, I'm trying to give some good trading ideas and trade real time. I think it can help a lot of people, especially new traders, to see someone with experience trade real time for free.